Ladies and gentlemen, 5 days after he plotted the murder of 8 policemen in Kanpur, the Uttar Pradesh police has got the first leads on the whereabouts of gangster Vikas Dubey. 3 of his aides have confirmed that he was hiding in a hotel in Faridabad. I'm getting live breaking inputs. We'll get that for you in 2 minutes. But tonight, as the police inch closer to him, the focus is on his deep links in both political circles and police networks. Let's debate.
Mafia Don with deep political connections and police patronage has been on the run for the last 5 days. The hunt for this gangster, who faces close to 60 criminal cases, has sent police teams from 5 states into a wild goose chase. On 3rd of July, this den of crime that was later raised witnessed a well-coordinated and pre-planned ambush on police officers who had come to arrest gangster Vikas Dubey. 8 police officers were killed by his henchmen. And the investigation that followed exposed the deep rot in the system, a well-oiled machinery that has helped gangsters like Vikas Dubey thrive with the help of police officers and under the alleged patronage of politicians. Not only did the SHO tip the gangster on the raids, the police officer also helped the criminal flee by arranging an escape vehicle.
जय वाजपेयी के कनेक्शंस की बात करें तो पुलिस के जो कप्तान थे उस वक्त के, उनके साथ जय वाजपेयी की तमाम जो फोटोज़ हैं वो वायरल हो रही हैं और पुलिस एक तरीके से इस प्रकरण पे ये माना जा सकता है कि जय वाजपेयी का जो पुलिस के जो अंदर का जो लिंक्स हैं वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा मजबूत रहे हैं और जब उनको ज़रूरत पड़ती थी तो उनको बड़ी गाड़ियाँ जो हैं, चाहे वो ऑडी हो चाहे वो फॉर्च्यूनर हो, इस तरीके की बड़ी गाड़ियाँ वो उन पुलिस वालों को मुहैया कराया करता था जब भी उनकी डिमांड होती थी। तो कहीं ना कहीं एक जो पूरा माफिया और पुलिस एक तरीके से गठजोड़ के रूप में आप इसको देख सकती हैं।
In 2017, this cop killer mastermind admitted his links to 2 BJP leaders while he was being interrogated by the police.
दबाव जैसा नहीं, लेकिन अपना प्रयास किया था हमने, जो है अपने लोकल लीडर्स और उनसे है जो अपने हमारे यहाँ के प्रबुद्ध लोग हैं उनसे किया था।
कौन कौन है?
हमारे लोकल विधायक हैं, भगवती प्रसाद सागर जी हैं और अभिजीत शांगा जी हैं मेरे, और हमारे ब्लॉक प्रमुख हैं।
But it doesn't end with one party. Vikas Dubey's wife was backed by the Samajwadi Party when she fought for Zilla Parishad elections in 2015. And while the police raided his house after the ambush, they found a BSP flag. So did political links allow this gangster to raise a private army, stockpile arms and a cover to escape? As police and political links of Vikas Dubey forms the core of the investigation, there are 8 families awaiting justice, 8 families that want the martyred cops to be avenged.
ये इंसिडेंट देखने के बाद अब मुझे जिस तरीके से उन्होंने जान दी है देश के लिए, तो अब हम भी उस तरीके से उसमें
पुलिस ऑफिसर
उसी ड्रीम में, उसी लाइन में अब हम पार्टिसिपेट करना चाहेंगे।
Any delay by Yogi Adityanath's police to nab and jail the mafia don will serve injustice to the martyrs and their families. Let's debate.
So we got some reports coming in that this mafia don was actually being spotted on the outskirts of Delhi in Faridabad. Political editor Aishwarya has been tracking this. Aishwarya, what is the newsroom telling you?
At this point of time, at around 50 past 6, that's around 7 minutes to 7, that is exactly when the UPSDF and then Faridabad police raided a roadside hotel, and that's where 4 individuals have been nabbed, 3 out of which are said to be aides of Vikas Dubey, out of which 1, according to our sources, Arnab has confirmed that yes, Vikas Dubey was with him 40 minutes prior. So it indicates that the man was getting active information yet again, and that's the exact reason why he was able to fled away. We are being told by our sources that the UPSTF is going through the CCTV footage, of which images we have also accessed, and it looks like that it is Vikas Dubey, though it is yet not being confirmed, hence we are not confirming here. But we are being told that it is being confirmed by the aide who has been arrested by UPSTF that he said that 40 to 45 minutes prior to that raid, Vikas Dubey left from that location. So it clearly indicates that this gangster is still getting active information of the movement of UP police. And as we speak, not only Faridabad, but then the complete NCR, that is the National Capital Region, is being put under lockdown so that they're able to nab this gangster or no.
Okay, thanks very much, Aishwarya, for that. You know, in our country, viewers, the mafia don, gangster, terrorist, politician nexus has been spoken about, and we do know, and everyone knows who I'm talking about. There is a politician in our country who is very well known for having links with Dawood Ibrahim, and there are politicians whose links with Iqbal Mirchi have come under scrutiny. But have we really seen any effective action? No. The politician who is rumored to have links with Dawood Ibrahim continues to operate. And politicians with alleged links to Iqbal Mirchi continue to very much hold keys to power. And that's the tragedy in our country. Anila Singh is spokesperson of the BJP. Anila Singh, tell me one thing. BJP leaders have been helping this mafia don, and the Yogi Adityanath in 2017, when he was asked about the mafia raj in Uttar Pradesh, he said, my government speaks less and does more. But Vikas Dubey openly admitted his links with BJP leaders, and he said, हमारे local विधायक भगवती सागर और अभिजीत सांगा जो है, this was a 2017 interrogation by the UP Special Task Force. And a gangster openly says on record that I have links with BJP leaders. Is that why he was allowed to operate? And today, don't you take the blame for the lives of the 8 policemen who've been killed?
Adam, he must be saying about these 2 leaders when they were not in our party. Earlier, they were associated with different political parties, and at that time, he might be having
now
some
they are
sort
in
of
your
relationship
party.
with them.
No, is Bhagwati?
And,
one
now
second.
they are in our party.
Is Bhagwati
Now
Sagar
they
in your
are in our
party?
party.
Is Bhagwati Sagar in your party?
Yeah. Absolutely. I'm not saying that.
So it's okay now.
These two political...
Saath khun maaf. 1 second.
Allow me.
So what you're saying is Saath khun maaf. Tahira wants to respond to you. No. I'm saying to you. I'm saying to how. Tell me one thing. I'll allow you.
No
But
Saath khun maaf.
I'll allow you,
No
Anila.
Saath khun maaf.
I'll allow
This
you.
is Uttar Pradesh.
Please hear me, Anila. Please hear me, Anila.
I think
Okay, Tahira wants to
Arnab.
Yeah.
You didn't allow me to complete my sentence.
Yeah, I will allow you. It's a half an hour debate.
yes,
You can
just
have
I
your time.
just
Tahira
want
is
to tell
responding to you.
Anila that law and order of our country, nobody is above that law and order and our constitution. Whoever is involved into it, feel the pain of the families of the 8 policemen who lost their lives. They brave, they martyrs. They took the head on of this mafia and they lost their life. Think about it. And take the action accordingly. And whoever is involved into it, nobody is above the law of the land. We are the largest democracy. Take the action.
Why do you... No, 1 second. So I go back to
No
my question.
cover-up should be done.
Anila, I go back to...
Whatever party is involved.
Anila, I go back
no
to my
matter.
question. I go back to my question to you. And there was a list of top 10 criminals in Uttar Pradesh. Your Vikas Dubey was not even in one of them. There was a list of top 25 criminals in Uttar Pradesh, and a man who has 60 cases against him, whose name was not even there. I mean, did you forget? Did you forget, Anila, that he had killed a BJP minister? Shame on you. Shame on you, Anila.
No.
Shame on you, Anila, that a person who has killed a BJP minister was not even considered a major criminal in Uttar Pradesh. And you say that you take on people.
I'm going to tell you who has to be
No, you are on the debate right now, and on the other side of the debate, we have professors, Dr. C.P. Rai.
Allow me.
1 minute. Dr. C.P. Rai, Professor Badrinarayan Tripathi, Anubhav Chak are all with you. They will respond to you. Can you hear me, Dr. Rai? Can you hear me? Can you hear me, Anubhav Chak from Kanpur?
आवाज आ रही है ना आपकी?
आवाज आ रही है। तो हमारे अनिला सिंह इधर कह रहे हैं, मैंने इनको पूछा कि बीजेपी ने इनको इतनी खुली छूट कैसे दी, तो ये जवाब दे रही थी। आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे इनको? कुछ पूछना चाहेंगे इनको?
और अभी क्योंकि डिबेट में मुझे कॉल मिली तो मैं सुन नहीं पाया कि इन्होंने क्या कहा अर्णव।
इन्होंने कहा कि मैंने इनको पूछा, चलिए आपके सामने पूछता हूं, अनिला सिंह, बीजेपी leaders helped him in 2017. He was in the BJP. His so-called Guru Harikrishan Srivastav was in the BJP before 1996 and Vikas Dubey was working for him. Okay? His name was not in the top 25 criminal list, though he had 60 cases against him. Arms and ammunition was found at his residence. You've still not been able to track him. Why did you allow him to operate? Please tell me, why did you release him on bail? He gave 25,000 rupees.
First of all,
He gave 25,000 rupees. He put pressure on witnesses to submit statements in his favor. And you let him out on bail, and today he has killed 6 policemen.
First of all, if he was given bail, it was not given by our government. So this question is not absolutely appropriate to ask. Secondly, as I told you that he might be having relationship with different political parties' leaders. There might be leaders in our party in today's date, and since any political party leader, when he joins Bharatiya Janata Party, he has to leave all those practices which
CP Rai is on the debate. Why?
That person has to follow the rules and regulation of Bharatiya
Why did you
Janata
allow?
Party.
Why? Vishal, tell me why.
See, this is a big question.
Vishal is on the debate with CP.
I'm not going to answer that. I'm here to
Why are you not going to
Vikas
answer that?
Dubey,
A mafia don.
No.
1 second. You are telling me. I'm saying here,
No, I'm
Vishal.
not going to answer
A
that.
mafia don has links with politicians, and you're saying I'm not going to answer why. Why? It's all right.
I answered you that they were with different
The
political parties, but
Yogi
not given
Adityanath
any
government
Bharatiya Janata
has
Party.
launched a huge
No, one second.
movement
Vishal
against criminals.
and Dr. CP
Criminals
Rai,
are
please,
being taken out. And this action against Vikas Dubey is part of Yogi Adityanath's campaign against criminals. Whether the criminal is of party A, party B or party C. If he's a criminal,
Rai.
either he will be in jail or he will be underground. Right? The nexus between political people and criminals has come to an end. The age of Yogi has dawned. And in this age of Yogi,
CP
we are
Rai.
seeing dreaded criminals, the modern day Gabbar Singhs, run. They are running, they have nowhere to hide, and sooner or later the long arm of the law will catch them. And Arnab, let me tell you, the drop of a hangman's noose is a pretty long one. And Vikas Dubey's destiny will take the course that he is going to face. There is going to be no let go,
let me
and
put this
Vikas
question
Dubey
to
is going to be arrested
let
sooner
me
or
put
later.
this question. Let me put this question unemotionally to the people of Uttar Pradesh and the people of this country. Dr. Rai, this is the way I look at it as a citizen of India. You have a mafia don who has today killed 8 policemen. And Shantanu, I know you are a fan of Yogi Adityanath, but you need to be objective about it. Viewers, who is this person we are talking about?
You have read my book, it's a bestseller.
No. Who is this person we are talking about? Dr. Rai, this is a person who has killed a BJP minister in the past. After killing him, he was made to surrender. When he went to surrender, he was accompanied by Mayawati's people, by BSP people. He's been with the BSP in the past. And then he's also been with the Samajwadi Party. His wife is made an elected leader with the support and the ticket of the Samajwadi Party. And now he has also got connections with the BJP. Local BJP leaders who he names on record are helping him in Yogi Adityanath's time. So Vikas Dubey, ladies and gentlemen, is a man who has been with SP, BSP and BJP in different ways. Today all these parties have come together, Dr. Rai, and are criticizing each other. If you ask the BSP, why was he with you? They say he's been with BJP. If you ask the BJP, why has he been with you? They say he's been with the Samajwadi Party. Do I care? Are we not ashamed that we have let this man thrive regime after regime? Is there not something that is sick about this, Dr. Rai? Should we be blaming each other, or should we all introspect and say, today policemen have been killed because we let this man become what he is? Dr. Rai first and then Shantanu. Dr. Rai, please.
अर्णव, ये मेरे प्रदेश का दुर्भाग्य है कि यहाँ पर बड़ा क्रिमिनल विक्रम सिंह जी को बैठा देख रहा हूं मैं, इन्होंने बहुत अच्छी समीक्षा किया है इसके बारे में। बड़ा क्रिमिनल, बड़े दलाल, बड़े ठेकेदार सारी पार्टियों को प्रिय होते हैं। ये दुर्भाग्य है पॉलिटिक्स का भी और हमारे प्रदेशों का भी। इस आदमी के साथ भी यही है। लेकिन दूसरा दुर्भाग्य है कि खुद पुलिस के भीतर भी इस तरह के लोग मौजूद हैं जो ऐसे अपराधियों को पालते हैं, पोसते हैं, बढ़ाते हैं, उनकी रक्षा करते हैं। इस मामले में यही देखने को मिला। विक्रम सिंह जी ने यह सवाल उठाया था और भी लोगों ने लिखा इस बारे में। दूसरा, एक तरफ पाल घर पर इतना हंगामा होता है, बदायूं पर 1 महीने तक हंगामा होता है, और इस घटना के ऊपर बहुत तेजी के साथ चुप्पी है। आपने सवाल उठाया, बधाई आपको। लेकिन दुर्भाग्य है कि आज जो 20, 22, 23 हमारे सिपाही बहादुर, हमारे पुलिस के लोग मारे गए, उनके परिवारों को उनका बाप और बेटा कौन लौटाएगा? और इतने घंटे हो गए, जो पुलिस बालू में से एक सुई ढूंढ लेती है, इतने घंटे के बाद भी वो मारने के बाद निकल गया। अब जबकि रात को 10 बजे से सुबह 5 बजे तक का कर्फ्यू चल रहा है, फिर भी और इतने दिनों तक पुलिस उसको ढूंढ नहीं पाई, ये दुर्भाग्य की बात है। ये मैं आलोचना के लिए नहीं कह रहा हूं। योगी जी जब आए थे तो उन्होंने कहा था कि क्रिमिनल या तो जेल में होगा या कहीं और होगा। उसके बाद ठोक दो अभियान भी चला जिसमें हजारों एनकाउंटर्स हुए, तमाम लोगों को गोलियां लगी। लेकिन उसके बाद भी एक क्रिमिनल जिसको आजीवन कारावास मिला हुआ है, वो बाहर घूम रहा है। और ऐसे लोग जो सिर्फ आंदोलन करते हैं, लड़ाइयां लड़ते हैं जनता की या कानून की या संविधान की, उन लोगों की जमानत पर चर्चा भी नहीं हो रही है। ये बहुत दुर्भाग्य है राजनीति का भी और इन प्रदेशों का भी। और मैंने इसीलिए कहा कि सारे दलों की स्थिति वही हो गई है कि सभी को सारे बड़े गुंडे और सारे बड़े ठेकेदार और सबसे बड़े दलाल सभी को प्रिय है, उनमें कोई भी पार्टी अलग नहीं एक दूसरे से। और ये बहुत दुखद घटना है, सिस्टम पर भी तमाशा है।
No, you may disagree, but it is you disagree, but I'll tell you the fact. And viewers, just a small point before you come in, Shantanu. I agree completely with CP Rai, because viewers, you may not have heard of this incident, but I want to describe to you what happened. Let me visualize this for you. A mafia don with connections to all political parties leads an ambush against policemen in Uttar Pradesh. He has 100 henchmen with him. He has an AK-47. He's spraying bullets and he's saying, "Sabko maar dalo. Kisi ko mat chodo." He says, "Kill them all." How does it matter, Shantanu, whether you disagree? You are responding after the policemen have died. You can disagree as much.
Let me present the facts, sir. No, let me present the facts.
Am I not presenting facts?
He's not run.
No, which fact of mine is wrong? Which? No, one second. Have 8 policemen died? Is that not right? Is there a khadi khaki nexus or not? Is that not right? Did he not carry an AK-47? Is that not right? Did the BJP leaders provide him protection? Is that not right? What is not right? What is not right?
For 15 years, the khadi khaki nexus was there till 2017, but till the 2017, a saffron-clad Yogi has become the chief minister. That nexus is working every day. And
no.
We have
After
talked about,
Yogi,
in fact, a lot of people are telling that UP police is trigger happy. Time police, it used to be called, right?
No.
They say, okay, we will put human rights cases against.
Instead of one party.
Right?
Remember
that?
cannot
Remember
ask
that?
the question only Adityanath's government.
And in last 2 decades, we have seen that how Mulayam Singh Yadav in Uttar Pradesh,
All the parties jointly should work on that.
Formalized criminals in politics. I think that's a clear fact that how Mulayam Singh Yadav and Lalu Prasad Yadav have formalized criminals in politics. The Vikas Dubey, how the Vikas of Vikas Dubey has happened, you've already told that he himself was a Baspa Panchayat Samiti member. His wife was from Sapa, and from 2 decades.
Okay, we have Anubhav Chak responding to Anubhav Chak. Anubhav Chak is countering you. Anubhav Chak is countering you. Anubhav Chak and Shantanu are on the debate. Anubhav, yes.
जितने भी डिबेट में लोग बैठे हैं, मैं लोकल कानपुर में ही मैंने देखा है विकास दुबे का जलवा किस तरीके से यहाँ पे कायम रहा है। ऐसा कोई भी राजनीतिक दल नहीं है जिसने विकास दुबे को पालने पोसने में मदद नहीं करी हो। जिस समय सिवली थाने के अंदर हत्या हुई थी उस समय
सुन लीजिए शांतनु जी, बोलिए अनुभव जी, बोलिए।
उसके बाद भी हत्या करके विकास दुबे बड़े आराम से वहां से निकल गया था। जब आज की बात हो रही है, आपकी जानकारी में होगा अर्नब कि आज की तारीख में भी मार्च तक विकास दुबे जैसे दुर्दांत अपराधी के पास सरकारी गनर थे। मैं सवाल उठाना चाहता हूं कि आखिर वो कौन से अधिकारी थे और वो क्या वजह से विकास जैसे दुर्दांत अपराधी को उन्होंने सरकारी असलहों के लाइसेंस मुहैया कराया। और विकास दुबे जैसा
समाजवादी पार्टी के नेता बैठे हुए हैं पैनल पर, पूछिए इनसे।
हर वर्ग में अपनी जड़ जमा चुका और इतना गहरे से जमा चुका है कि आप जो फोटो वायरल हो रही हैं उनमें देखिए कि ऐसा कोई सेलिब्रिटी, ऐसा कोई अधिकारी और ऐसा कोई राजनीतिक दल नहीं जहां पे विकास दुबे के गुर्गे ना मौजूद हों। ये बहुत दुखद है और शर्मनाक है।
ये Anila, you are asking him, एक minute, Anubhav Chak, I just want to translate this. While Anubhav Chak said here, and he says, I'm from Kanpur. I know what's going on, and I know the long rope that has been given to Vikas. And he was asking, how is a mafia don being given licensed weapons? While you were saying all this, Anubhav, the spokesperson of the BJP, भारतीय जनता पार्टी की जो प्रवक्ता है अनिला सिंह, उन्होंने कहा हमें क्यों पूछ रहे हैं, समाजवादी पार्टी को पूछिए।
ना
लाइसेंस तो उनके समय मिले ना।
नहीं,
मैं एक बात बता रहा हूँ कि सभी पार्टी के नेता इसमें किस तरीके से शामिल है। पार्टियां बदलती रही, सरकारें बदलती रही, विकास के रसूख में कोई कमी नहीं और विकास के संरक्षण दाताओं में कोई कमी नहीं। मैं पूरी व्यवस्था में प्रश्न चिन्ह उठा रहा हूँ।
Anila, you have no answer.
How do you answer?
No, you have no answer. He killed the... No, one second. I want to tell you, Anila. Anila, I want to tell you, Anila, I'll tell you one thing.
You're not allowing me to speak.
Anila, I'll allow you to speak, but my question
No, you are not allowing me.
No, 1 minute. I'm asking you. Listen to me, Anila. 2001, the same Vikas killed a BJP leader. His name was Santosh Shukla inside a police station. Am I right? Badri Narayan, am I right, Badri? Professor Badri Narayan Tripathi knows UP well. He's joining us from Allahabad. Didn't the same Vikas Dubey go inside the Shivli police station? There were 25 eyewitnesses and he killed a BJP leader. All the 25 eyewitnesses turned hostile. When he went to surrender, the BSP went with him. No, I'm saying you did not. No, what kind of logic? I'm saying you allowed a man who killed your own leader a free run for 3 years in Uttar Pradesh.
No, you are not allowing either.
BJP does not like being questioned. Why did you give him a run? Why was he not in jail? Why did you not push the prosecution against him? A man accused in 10 murder cases, you gave him a run.
Respond you.
The jail is only for reporters,
CP and Anila. Yes, Dr. CP, make your point. Dr. CP, make your point. Dr. CP and Anila.
Jail is only for
wanted to tell you.
Jail is only for media persons and opposition leaders, workers, social workers. This time jail is not for criminals. So Anila can't answer up this question.
Our party was not in power.
No, if
what
your
happened?
party...
These regional parties, Sappa, Baspa, they came into power and they strengthened Vikas.
Who's been in power for 3 years? Who's been in power for 3 years?
Not a single
Who has been in power for 3 years? Who has he been in power for 3 years? You know, he had a house like Osama bin Laden. He had a house like Osama bin Laden with 50 feet high perimeter walls, 100 CCTV cameras and even an underground bunker. You allowed him to operate, no? Why did you allow him to operate? Tell me. Nation wants to know, Anila. Tell me.
I want to tell. But the thing is, I am not allowed by you.
No, I'm allowing you. Please tell me.
As soon as I start, you interfere me.
No, I won't interfere.
I want to tell you here one thing very clearly through your channel, to the viewers of your channel, that just because of fistful of police persons who acted in a very weird and sold out manner, it doesn't mean that whole lot of police in Uttar Pradesh is working as a cartel or working as an organized crime. They are not criminals. Police is working perfectly, but those who are indulged in this particular with this particular person and in this incident, we know it very well that we are going to caught hold of them and they won't be spared. An example will be set. But at the same time, I want to tell you that the criminals like Vikas Dubey prospered during the tenures of these two political parties.
Prospered, but continue to prosper in your time. Anuj Chak is responding.
They were there in support of...
Anubhav Chak is responding. Anubhav Chak, Tahira. Yes, let's open it.
Thana and Chowkis were sold off.
जो मैं कानपुर में रहते हुए घटना को देख रहा हूँ, 2001 में अक्टूबर में सिवनी थाने के अंदर राज्य मंत्री की हत्या होती है। आखिर वो क्या वजह थी कि जब राज्य मंत्री की हत्या हुई तो 3-4 महीने तक सरकार भारतीय जनता पार्टी की थी और सरकार होने के बाद भी विकास दुबे भागने में कामयाब हो गया। यहाँ तक चर्चा थी कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी के लोकल लीडर से उन्होंने विकास दुबे
विशाल
की बात
तायरा।
में मदद करी थी।
विशाल,
दूसरी बात
reply।
मैं कहना चाहता हूँ, बहुजन समाज पार्टी के कद्दावर नेता तत्कालीन जो थे राजा रामपाल, उसने हजारों लोगों के साथ विकास दुबे को कचहरी के अंदर सरेंडर करा के इसको महिमा मंडित करने का काम करा था और वहां से उसका प्रभाव क्षेत्र बढ़ने का काम हुआ था। तीसरी समाजवादी पार्टी की मैं बात करता हूँ, समाजवादी पार्टी की सरकार में 2006 में जजमेंट आता विकास दुबे के खिलाफ।
आज देखिए बीती ताही बिसार दे आगे की सुधरे।
हाईकोर्ट में अपील नहीं करती, सभी पार्टियों ने मिलकर विकास दुबे को आज का दुर्दांत विकास दुबे बनाया। विकास दुबे जैसा जो अपराधी था, इसका दुस्साहस बढ़ाने में सभी पार्टियों का बराबर से ही रोल है। एक घटना और बताना चाहता हूँ, एक घटना इसका जिक्र करना चाहता हूँ।
विशाल and Taira।
अपना कद इस हद तक बढ़ा लिया था।
Vishal and Taira. Taira makes a point to Vishal. 3 minutes on this debate. Taira. Taira to Vishal.
या तो गुंडा जेल में जाएगा या गुंडा कहीं और जाएगा, लेकिन गुंडा उत्तर प्रदेश में
keep changing the parties.
सुरक्षित
You
नहीं
know,
रह पाएगा।
so it's not that you can ask the question only to one party.
गब्बर सिंह हो,
It's not justified, you know. The thing is that we must put emphasis on how to break this nexus.
ओसामा बिन लादेन जैसा घर था, आज उस घर की क्या दुर्दशा हुई है। वो अर्नब बाबू, वो 15 फीट ऊंची दीवारें पूरी धराशायी हो गई है और विकास दुबे को
What are you saying?
छुपाने की जगह
Taira।
नहीं है। जहां जहां विकास दुबे जा रहा है, कुत्ते के पीछे पड़ी है।
ये तो सारी पार्टियों को एक साथ मिल के इसको अलग करा, ये बुराई जो है वो दूर करना चाहिए राय साहब।
Badri Narayan।
अगर हम सिर्फ एक पार्टी से ही सवाल पूछेंगे तो कैसे होगा?
योगी आदित्यनाथ ने ही
आपको ये सवाल
बद्री
सबसे
नारायण।
पूछना, you have to ask this question.
Badri Narayan to Vishal. Badri।
वोट बैंक का असर दिखा करके इस डेमोक्रेसी को इन्फ्लुएंस करता है, इसलिए डेमोक्रेसी डेमोक्रेसी में बदल जाती है और सारे पार्टी के नेता जो लोकल इन्फ्लुएंस से प्रभावित होते हैं उसके वो उसको सपोर्ट करते हैं। तो दे आर ऑल पॉलिटिशियंस, इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ अलायंस बिटवीन पॉलिटिशियंस, पुलिस ब्यूरोक्रेट्स एंड द क्रिमिनल्स एंड द ठेकेदार एंड ऑल। दे आर इन फैक्ट स्पॉइलिंग दिस डेमोक्रेसी एंड यू मस्ट हैव सीन व्हाट इज हैपनिंग। वी आर रिमेंबरिंग द डेज, अभी लग रहा है 70-80 के एज में हम आ गए हैं। ये 70-80s में हो रहा था माफिया आज का उत्तर प्रदेश में।
बताइए अनुभव जी, बताइए सीपी सिंह।
विशाल and CP।
मैं पूरे देश के सामने पूछ रहा हूँ,
विशाल and CP।
बताइए।
और एक
No, what are you asking? What do you want him to say?
बताइए अनुभव साहब, बताइए विक्रम सिंह साहब और बताइए
विक्रम सिंह।
योगी आदित्यनाथ एकमात्र मुख्यमंत्री हैं।
There is no logical answer to your incisive questions. Politics makes strange men.
Yeah. 1 minute. Let Vikram Singh respond.
They don't have any answer.
Political patronage and have created a Frankenstein out of Vikas Dubey. This Frankenstein was not created in a day. He was the beneficiary of the largest from all political
They
parties.
don't have any answer.
And indeed,
They don't have
and
any
they have
answer.
no answer to your incisive question. All of them have a lot of explaining
They
to
don't
do.
have any answer.
Mr. C.P.
Their police and
Rai,
delegate
Dr. Rai
is only for
is
media
absolutely
persons
right
and
when he
leader of
said
opposition, social workers only. They are not doing anything against criminals. Otherwise, he should not be there. These police persons were not should be killed.
Dr. Rai has a very pertinent point and he has hit the nail on the head. Arnab, there are no answers to your incisive questions because every political party has a role in creating this Frankenstein. And this Frankenstein will continue to live till the time people like him are become indispensable to the political system.
Absolutely they are. The problem is they started cohabiting with the BJP also. Shantanu.
No, not at all. That is a lie.
Arnab,
If he had not been cohabiting at a local level, he wouldn't have survived for so long.
They will not accept it.
BJP MLA. You already told that he killed a BJP MLA. BJP is the one
That was in
who's going for
2001.
an
You
encounter.
forgot all about
So
it.
you're saying
That was in
you yourself told that
2001.
BJP is going for an encounter. So if BJP is going for an encounter, Yogi government is going for an encounter at a house, removing, destroying his house, running after him, almost about to catch him. You just told me that he's found in Faridabad, and you say BJP with him. What kind of logic is this?
करके आपने सबूत बता दिए बहुत सारे। घर तोड़ के मुझे लगता है कि सबूत मिटाए गए हैं।
Come on, घर तोड़ के सबूत मिटाए गए।
No, don't be blind. I'm surprised at your response. Tahira is also debating with you. You know, he carried out a murder in 2018. Who was in power in 2018?
और अगर विकास
Anubhav is asking you a question, not letting go. 2 minutes on the debate. Still demanding answers from the Yogi government. Anubhav, yes, Anubhav.
मैं ये कहना चाह रहा हूँ कि शांतनु जी ने बात रखी, इसका घर तोड़ दिया गया। कानपुर का होने के नाते मुझे पता है कि अगर विकास दुबे अरेस्ट नहीं होता, सरेंडर कर देता, बेल करा के बाहर आ जाएगा, तो वो ऐसे 100 घर 1 महीने के अंदर खड़े कर देगा। उसका रसूख इतना, उसकी वकीली तंत्र इतना मजबूत है, इसको तोड़ने की जरूरत नहीं है। विकास दुबे के जो आर्थिक मददगार है, जो उसका ताकत है, शांतनु जी, उसको तोड़ने की जरूरत है। जो उसके मददगार है, उनका हौसला तोड़ने की जरूरत है, उसका आर्थिक तंत्र तोड़ने की जरूरत है। जब पूरा उसका सिस्टम आप ध्वस्त करेंगे, तब जाके विकास दुबे जैसे अपराधी का मनोबल टूटेगा। घर तोड़ने से विकास दुबे का कुछ नहीं होने वाला। मैं आपके चैनल में बात कर रहा हूँ कि 31 पुलिस वालों के बीच में से संतोष शुक्ला को मारा था और एक भी पुलिस वाले ने गवाही देने की हिम्मत नहीं करी थी। ये बात आप समझ लीजिए कि अगर विकास दुबे जेल जाकर और 1.5 साल में बाहर निकल आया, तो इस विकास दुबे को रोकना असंभव हो जाएगा।
सरकार नहीं है,
सरकारों की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ मैं, उसका जो प्रबंध सारे संरक्षण दाता है उनको भी जानता हूँ, समझता हूँ। और जो उसको जहाँ तंत्र में उसकी गहरी से जुड़ी हुई है,
20 साल में पोषित हुआ है, तब नहीं बोले आप लोग। प्रॉब्लम ये है कि 20 साल में जब पोषित हुआ तब आप लोग कुछ नहीं बोले। जब वो 20 साल तक पोषित होता रहा तब आप लोग कुछ नहीं बोले, तब आप लोग मुंह पे चुप के रह बैठे रहे। मीडिया वाले मुंह पे चुप के रह बैठे रहे।
मतलब कहीं ना कहीं आज कोई भेदिया है जो उसकी मदद कर रहा है। इस चीज को आप समझिए, आंख बंद करने से बीमारी खत्म होने वाली नहीं है। मैं कोई भारतीय जनता पार्टी या किसी सरकार का विरोध नहीं कर रहा हूँ, मैं सिर्फ ये चाहता हूँ कि इस गंदगी को साफ होना चाहिए। गंदगी किसी की भी वजह से हुई हो, लेकिन उसका निदान होकर रहना चाहिए।
विकास दुबे from 20 years nobody did a debate in Vikas Dubey, and today when Yogi government is hard on it, you are putting Yogi
because he's killed 8 policemen under your nose.
What kind of logic is that?
Because he's killed 8 policemen under your nose. Please remind him, Tahira. He says, why are we debating? Why are we debating? Because he's killed 8 policemen under your nose.
Yes, 60.
Because tell Tahira, tell Vishal. Because he's killed 8 policemen under your nose.
Feel the pain of the families. It's shame. It's shame.
Vishal, questioning the media.
The 8 policemen.
Vishal and Tahira.
And then why there is not a investigation and break this nexus. Break this nexus. Because we have lost 8 policemen who took head on to this mafia. You know, can't you feel the pain of the families?
Turn informers for
what they are going through it.
The UP police
what they were doing. They were trying to uphold the law of the land.
However, in the past, there was a failure of the state policemen. It was a state police leadership failure that people like Vikas Dubey were permitted to go scot-free. It was the political casualness towards criminal elements also to blame. But Yogi Adityanath is addressing these issues. The system will not be cleaned overnight. However, you have to appreciate the actions taken by the Uttar Pradesh police under orders of Yogi Adityanath. And if 8 police people have been martyred, it's most unfortunate. But you cannot use it against an argument against the Yogi Adityanath government, because those same policemen had gone to arrest Vikas Dubey. You tell me, Vikas Dubey is not just one case. There has been criminalization of UP and Bihar politics. But Yogi Adityanath, under Yogi Adityanath, the state government is taking very tangible, very visible, very strong actions. Tahira, madam, you answer my one question. Which other chief minister of Uttar Pradesh has taken such strong actions against the criminal elements? You tell me. Other than Yogi Adityanath, which other chief minister in Uttar Pradesh has done that? Certainly not Akhilesh Yadav.
I think you
because
haven't
the Samajwadi Party rule
earlier statements.
Was
I'm not
most
asking
infamous.
this question to only one government. You know, I'm not asking this question only to your government. I'm saying that these policemen killed after being ambushed. So take the action. This is what I'm saying. Break the nexus. This nexus should be broken.
25 police teams have been formed.
That is more
a reward
important.
of 2.5 lakh rupees has been announced on Vikas Dubey. Vikas Dubey is running from town to town, from house to house, from hotel to hotel. He is like the hunted rabbit right now. the entire police machinery is
the
after
people
him.
all
Sooner or later,
involved
the
into
man
it.
will be arrested.
Because we lost 8 policemen. They are killed after being ambushed. Who was there to inform?
Well, our reporters are on the ground in Faridabad to try and see whether they can get any more details, and we hope the arrest happens soon. But yes, it's an eye-opener for all political parties, including the BJP.